Jai Hind, dear student. Today in this session we are going to learn new chapter, that is chapter 11 algebra. Might be you had not heard this word before, or maybe you had heard then you don't know the meaning of this word. Algebra is one of the branch of mathematics like geometry, arithmetic. In the same way, algebra is also one of the branch of mathematics. Now, what is algebra? How we can form, and what is the use of algebra, that we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay. Before that, let us see one example that you might have made many design and many pattern with the help of matchstick or with the help of stick. Suppose if I am doing with the help of this two matchstick, I am doing here L. So for one L I need two matchstick. In the same way, if I want to do the 2L, then I need 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can say 4 matchstick. In the same way, if I can say 1, 2, 3. If 3L is there, I will need 6 matchstick. So we can say that for 1 we need 2, for 2L we need 4, for 3L we need 6. So what is the common here is that if we take this number of matchstick be n. If we take number of matchstick is equal to n, then number of number of matchstick needed will be what? 2n, 2 into n, so 2 into 1. If we draw this, suppose if we take the L as n, then number of matchstick needed will be 2 into L. If 2L we needed, then 2 into n, which is equal to 4. 2 2 is 4. In the same way, if we needed 3L, then it will be 2 3 is 6. So here we got the formula to find out the matchstick needed to form L. यहाँ पे एक बनाने के लिए हमें 2 चाहिए, 2L बनाने के लिए 4 चाहिए, 3 बनाने के लिए 6 चाहिए. ठीक है. अगर इसी तरह से मैं बोलूँ कि अगर हमें 100L बनाने हैं तो कितने चाहिए, तो it will take long time to make 100L with the stick. But we need a formula to find out, and that formula is 2n, where n is, we can say that number of matchstick needed in 1L, and number of matchstick needed in 1L. So number of matchstick needed in NL is equal to 2n. So number of matchstick be n. So in this way we can find out the formula to get this type of pattern and all. As we had done here, that for number of L's be n. Now if we want 100L, then how much matchstick we need? That is 2n. The formula is 2n. Simply 2n करेंगे तो हमें मिल जाएगा कि 2 into 100, that is 200. Now here if we see closely 2n, this 2 is our numeric and this n is alphabetic. This n is what? Alphabet. This 2 is numeric. So this n is called variable. This n is called variable. Now this 2 has a fixed value. This n does not have fixed value. So we can say that the variable does not have any fixed value. Why n does not have any fixed value? Because n यहाँ पर हम कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. 1 ले सकते हैं, 2 ले सकते हैं, 3 ले सकते हैं, 50 ले सकते हैं, 100 ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो n does not have any fixed value, and we can say that variable does not have any fixed value and it can take any value 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we write the rule, okay, whenever we write the rule, we use this numeric and alphabet. So in this way, we cannot say that the n has fixed value. N does not have fixed value. Again, I am repeating, variable does not have fixed value. It can take any value, 1, 2, 3, 10, 50, 100, any value it can take. In the same way, variable, you can take any variable. Now let us see what are the variables. That is the alphabetic number, we can say, which does not have any fixed value. You can take any variable, that is A, B, C, X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R, any variable you can take. Okay, so in this way you can form a variable, and variable does not have any fixed value. Now let us see how to find out the variable, or let us see one more example. We can have one more example. Is suppose if the cost of one notebook is equal to rupees 5. So 2 notebooks will be what? Is equal to rupees 10. 3 notebooks will be rupees 15. In the same way, 4 notebooks will be rupees 20. Now here, can we get anything common? 1 notebook is equal to rupees 5. So what we can say is the total cost in rupees. Here, if we want to find out the M notebook, that is infinite, any number of notebook, okay, then the cost will be, here we see that it is 5 is there, 1 notebook cost is 5. So what will be the cost of M notebook? M notebook का cost क्या हो जाएगा? Here हम देख रहे हैं कि ये है 5 into 1, अगर 2 है तो ये है 5 into 2, 3 है तो ये है 5 into 3, 4 है तो ये है 5 into 4. तो M notebook है, M notebook, then it will be 5 into M, which will be equal to, we can say, 5M. So in this way, there are many rules or many examples we can say through which we can find out the variable or use of variable. Now let us come to exercise 11.1. Let us see exercise 11.1. In exercise 11.1, question number 1 is find the rule which gives the number of matchstick required to make the following matchstick pattern. Use the variable to write the rule. Here we have to use the variable to write the rule. First is the pattern of letter T. Here we can see that 1 and 2. So we can write here 2N, 2N, 2A, 2B, anything you can write. In the same way, B is here Z. Z we can make like this. So this will be 3N. In the same way, C is here a pattern for U. U we can write like this. It will be again 3N. So in this way you can find out the other also. Question number 2 is you have to again find out from this only. Let us see question number 3. Question number 3 is cadets are marching in a parade. There are 5 cadets in one row. One row it is given 5 cadets. What is the rule which gives the number of cadets given in the number of rows? Use n for the number of row. So question number 3. Here let the number of row be x let the number of row be x, because it is unknown, and for unknown number only we are using variables. For, again I am repeating, for the unknown numbers only we are using variables. So here let the number of row be x, here it will be x. Now number of cadet, here it is given number of cadet in one row is equal to 5. Number of cadet in one row is equal to 5. So therefore what we have to find out is what is the rule we give the number of cadet in given number of rows. Therefore number of cadets in x row is equal to 5 into x, which is equal to 5x. The number of cadet in given row is equal to 5x. Here you can assume the unknown number as variable. Again I am repeating, variable can take any property, and variable is our unknown number. Now question number 4 is again same, 50 mango in a box. How will you write the number of mangoes? Same way you have to write. Then question number 5 again, teacher distribute 5 pencil per student. Can you tell how many pencil needed to given number of students? Same way you can write. Now let us see question number 6. The bird flied 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by the bird in flying the time in minute? Here, sorry, in question number 3 also it is given, use n for the number of rows. So here we had taken x, but we can take n also. So here it will be n rows, 5 into n, which is equal to 5n. Now let us see, let us see this all question you can do by yourself. Let us see question number 6. A bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of flying time in minute? Use t for the flying time in minute. So question number 6. Question number 6 is, here first we have to assume that use t for the flying time in minute. Let flying time in minute be t. Let flying time in minute be t. Now we have to find out, can you express the distance covered by the bird in flying time in minute? So we have to again, now here we need to express it. So therefore in 1 kilometer it is given that in 1 minute distance covered in 1 minute is equal to 1 kilometer. It is given the distance covered the bird fly in 1 minute. Therefore distance covered in t minutes is equal to t into 1, which is equal to t kilometer. So the distance covered in 1 minute is equal to t minute is equal to t kilometer. Let us see question number 8. Question number 8 is, Leela is Radha's younger sister. Here it is given, Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in term of Radha's age? Now both the age is unknown, दोनों की एज अननोन है, पर यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है कि लीला इज 4 years यंगर. तो लीला के बारे में एक क्लू दिया हुआ है, राधा के बारे में कुछ नहीं है. तो राधा's एज इज अननोन. नाउ टेक राधा's एज टू बी x years. सो लेट राधा's एज बी x year. Let Radha's age be x year. Now it is given that Leela is 4 year younger. Leela is 4 year younger than Radha. Therefore, लीला's एज, लीला की एज क्या हो जाएगी x minus 4 year. So लीला's age is equal to, which is equal to x minus 4 years. So Leela's age, we can say that Leela's age is x minus 4 year. Now let us see question number 10. Oranges are to be transferred from larger box into the smaller box. When a larger box is empty, the orange from it filled two smaller box until 10 oranges remain outside. If the number of oranges in the smaller box are taken to be x, what is the number of oranges in the larger box? Now first here what we have to do, it is already given that let the number of oranges in smaller box be, let the number of oranges in smaller box be x. So now here it is given that when a larger box is emptied into the orange from it filled two smaller box. So one smaller box, we know that one smaller box is equal to x. So therefore oranges in two, we can say that oranges in two smaller box is equal to 2x. Oranges in two smaller box is equal to 2x. Now it is also given that 2x until 10 oranges remain outside. Okay, so we can say that therefore oranges in larger box is equal to two smaller box plus till 10 remain outside. So that is 2x plus 10. So we can say that oranges in larger box is 2x plus 10. Now question number 11 we don't have to do. So here we end our exercise 11.1. This question number 1 to 10 you have to do in your notebook. Thank you.